Marcus Foreman from Roll and Saw, and today I'm going to walk you through our TF1420 tilt frame vertical bandsaw. The TF1420 is a high-powered, durable, and versatile saw coming in at a fraction of the price versus its competition. This saw is able to make clean and precise cuts on up to 14 by 20 inch material. The TF1420 can be used 4 different ways. First, as a production style saw, similar as to how you would use a horizontal bandsaw. Simply secure the workpiece in the saw, turn the machine on, and flip the handle forward to engage the saw blade moving into the material. The saw will now complete the cut itself, and you are free to do other work while it is cutting. You can adjust the feed rate by adjusting the pressure on the cut. Since the blade frame moves into the work, the length of the work is not limited to the size of the 32 by 26 inch table. As long as material is supported, material can be infinitely long. Second, as a mitering saw, adjust the cutting angle by simply turning the T-handle and manually move the frame of the saw to the desired angle. Refer to the indicator on the frame for the exact angle of the cut. Then secure the saw in place with the T-handle. Third, the saw can be used to make notching or slotting cuts easier, or make more of these cuts at one time. Lastly, the TF1420 can be used as a traditional vertical saw. With the saw frame in the down position, you can now feed in material to make complex or contour cuts. It is recommended that you have your hands at least 3 inches away from the saw blade while the machine is on, and never put your hands or any part of your body in the cut line of the saw, even if it is at least 3 inches away. The TF1420 can be used to cut metal, plastic, or wood. The TF1420 comes standard with a built-in mist system. This mist system provides additional life for the blade with almost no mess. Use the control panel to turn on the saw. For different materials, adjust the saw to the desired cutting speed. The TF1420 can be ordered in 3-phase 220 volt or 440 volt. It can also be custom made with a single phase motor. The TF1420 has accessories to help improve your sawing needs. Multiple clamps can be installed on the saw. Roller conveyor systems can be added in 5-foot or 10-foot lengths, and a laser light can be added to the front for additional cut precision. The TF1420 is an extremely durable, economical, and our most versatile bandsaw. If you are looking for a heavy-duty, American-made, American-trusted bandsaw, the Roll and Saw TF1420 is perfect for you.